Why did the celebrity's Instagram reel featuring a funny recipe explanation go viral recently? The answer isn't just in the recipe itself, but in how humor and timing combined to captivate millions instantly. The celebrity's reel stood out because it tapped into the universal experience of kitchen blunders. By exaggerating common cooking mistakes with comedic timing, the video made viewers laugh and feel seen. This relatability encouraged shares and comments, key ingredients for viral success. The celebrity's large and loyal fan base gave the reel an immediate boost. Followers were eager to engage with anything new from their favorite star, so the reel started gaining traction right away. This initial momentum is essential for content to go viral on platforms like Instagram. Timing was critical. The reel dropped just as cooking videos were trending heavily on Instagram during a season when many people were experimenting in the kitchen. This alignment with current trends amplified its visibility beyond just the celebrity's followers. The reel's short length and quick pace made it easy to watch multiple times. Instagram's algorithm rewards content that keeps viewers engaged longer and generates repeat views. This helped push the reel onto more users' feeds, creating a viral feedback loop. So the viral success of the celebrity's funny recipe reel came down to relatable humor, the power of celebrity influence, perfect timing, and a tight, engaging format. Next time you scroll through Instagram, remember how these elements work behind the scenes. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.